The Lenovo ThinkPad X914 Aura Edition represents a significant evolution in the ThinkPad lineup, introducing modern design elements and advanced features tailored for today's professionals. Design and build. Departing from traditional ThinkPad aesthetics, the X914 Aura Edition features a sleek, silver aluminum chassis with rounded edges, offering a contemporary look reminiscent of the MacBook series. Notably, Lenovo has removed the iconic red track point, replacing it with a large haptic touchpad centered below the keyboard. This design choice aims to provide a more streamlined and modern user experience. Display. The laptop boasts a 14-inch OLED display available in 2 configurations. Let's hear some reviews from different sources. Watch these videos.
Hello everyone, Brent Lamb here, and do I have something to introduce to you? I am super excited to unveil the all-new Lenovo ThinkPad X914 Aura Edition. The X914 is a progressive yet uncompromising addition to the ThinkPad portfolio, designed for innovative thinkers from prosumers to small and medium businesses to large corporations. This Copilot Plus PC, powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, is a cutting-edge, AI-enhanced device that combines the powerful and efficient Intel and Windows 11 platforms, hardware-based security through Intel's vPro processors, enhanced user experience thanks to Intel Evo certification, all in a new, beautiful design. As part of the Aura Edition series imagined with Intel, the X914 will support our 3 new smart experiences. Smart Care, for a multifaceted white glove experience no matter where you are. Smart Modes for ease of accessibility to scenario-based settings and features. And Smart Share, for instant photo sharing capabilities between your phone and your PC. The ThinkPad X914 bolsters a new, sophisticated design blending elegance with practical innovation that ThinkPad is known for. With covers crafted of 50% recycled aluminum, the X914 exhibits a sleek and ultra-slim profile that's not only visually striking, but features a stylish, grooved bottom cover. Also on the bottom, further enhancing that ultra-sleek profile, is the innovative engine hub, housing the latest Core Ultra processors, supporting full utility like Thunderbolt 4 ports on either side of the device, class-leading performance, and quite impressive battery life. Users will also enjoy premium experiences like vivid OLED displays and touch or non-touch options, an 8-megapixel camera with a larger sensor for smartphone-like camera quality, a large haptic touchpad, and a new version of the beloved ThinkPad keyboard, which will maintain that industry-renowned typing experience. The ThinkPad X914 targets those who seek the durability, reliability, and reputation of a ThinkPad, but in a new all-metal ultra-thin design. So whether it's personal or professional, for work or for play, hybrid users can trust the new Lenovo ThinkPad X914 Aura Edition to handle everything without sacrificing, well, anything.
X9 Aura Edition will come in 2 varieties, 14 inches and 15 inches, and they are directly designed to compete with the other Camp's line of thin and light ultra-portable laptops. But how do they compete? How do they compare? What do they do differently? For one, all models will come with a 2.8K OLED screen that's touch control. You'll also get an oversized touchpad similar to what you've seen on Apple's laptops, and notably you'll notice the track point is missing. You don't get to that level of comparison by sticking with some old designs, but don't freak out, the track point isn't going anywhere. You'll find it in other products. So what is the other way that this laptop competes with the other Camp? You'll know that the MacBook Air laptops are passively cooled. There's not enough room for fans in there. But keeping a similar level of thinness and lightness here, Lenovo decided, no, we can do one better. And what they've done here is what is called a port barrel underneath the laptop base. It maintains the same Z height that you would get just from the surface to up top. But what this does is it adds room for the ports that you're looking for. And here, notably, which you won't find on a MacBook Air, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt ports on either side. That's pretty standard, of course, along with the headphone jack. But what's the real trick here? That is fan cooling. You won't find that on a MacBook Air, and how does it work? Just beneath this barrel, you see intake vents that directly feed into 2 cooling fans just underneath here, which then push air through the base just beneath the hinge. The idea here is to draw as much power out of the Intel Lunar Lake Core Ultra processors that will be in this device while getting the most out of the thin and light design. So you can expect to see the Lenovo ThinkPad Aura Edition X9 14 and 15 inch in early 2025 for very competitive prices with what you've seen from the Apple camp. For PC Mag, I'm Joe Osborne. Thanks so much for watching.